Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Garry's Mod on your iPad. Since Garry's Mod is not natively available for iPad OS, we'll use cloud gaming. This technology streams the full PC version of the game from powerful remote servers directly to your tablet. Your iPad then acts as a window, displaying the game and sending your commands back to the server, letting you enjoy the complete experience. To begin, you'll need to select a cloud gaming service. GeForce Now is a popular choice, letting you stream games you already own on platforms like Steam. Alternatively, Shadow PC offers a complete cloud-based Windows computer, giving you more flexibility. Research their subscription models and ensure your internet connection meets their recommended speeds for the best performance and a smooth experience. Once you've chosen a service, download its app to your iPad. Log in to your cloud gaming account and link your Steam account, ensuring you own Garry's Mod. Within the Cloud Services interface, navigate to your Steam library, locate Garry's Mod, and click the Play button. The game will then launch on the remote server and stream directly to your iPad screen. For the best experience, ensure you have a stable, high-speed internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, to minimize latency. Consider connecting a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse to your iPad for more precise control, similar to a desktop experience. You might also adjust in-game graphics settings to a lower preset for smoother streaming. Experiment with different cloud server locations to find the one with the lowest ping.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.